It's really pretty out. Everything's been snowed on. I have glass issues, okay? Sorry. We're going to go get a very small order because there's like a special being done in the area that we're at for if we run a few more orders, then we'll get like a base pay on top of, or I guess maybe like a bonus on top of whatever we were earning. So I'm taking some strict orders more strategically today because it goes in batches, and the batches can have like 3 separate orders in them, and that would tie me up for quite a while, and I want to get this tucked away. So I'm trying to take orders that have like for example, the one that we're going on right now is going to go for 10 miles, but it's only 7 items, and then I'll be back on my merry way. If we do 1 order every 2 hours, we should be able to complete the challenge. So check back in later, see if we made it or not. Definitely parked in an interesting spot. There's this abandoned camper that I've asked about, and the city's like, we can't do anything, even though the place where it's at wants it gone. Anyway, I found like a little area that I'm currently stealth parking in while I clean a really messed up front seat. Yeah, isn't that cool? Somebody's been drinking back there, I guess, but who knows how old that is, so I'll just keep my eyes out. I don't really have to do that with Molly. She'll emit a bark or two, inevitably.
There's a partner in crime.
We got a messy car again in the back a little bit. She actually got full, so I'm gonna load up this delivery and get off of my phone because it slows me down. And we don't need that, do we? Nope, we sure don't. Normally I'd have it up in the front, but my friend has a skateboard up there right now that I'm borrowing. Hi! Alright, see y'all later. We're gonna be driving for 20 minutes, so I'm not gonna be on my phone, but we just took off from the grocery store and are going on our second batch out of 6, at least 6 today. So we could get our little challenge extra money, I hope. Actually got everything done on the challenge, and I'll put in some photos at the end here to show you guys that it was pretty interesting. It increased the batch pay, so I got basically like a $30-something bonus. So that was nice. I'm driving today in blizzard conditions, and it's been interesting. It's definitely been easier with new tires and a solid battery, so glad for that. I hope everybody else has a productive day. Safe day. Bye.